The demand for reliable power, battery, and thermal solutions is greater than ever. Industry-leading manufacturers need a trusted partner to drive innovation and deliver performance.
I think there's three ways we look at this. One is that customers want to get to market faster and more efficient, and we've been able to do that for them. Instead of buying 5 different products, paying someone to assemble, test, etc. in-house, we're delivering a product that's basically turnkey. They can plug it into their system, and we're doing that in a more cost-efficient manner, and that's saving them time and money, and also getting to market quicker.
I think one of the most important things about our Custom Solution Center is it lets engineering groups offload a particular project, right? Not just one little part. And now all of a sudden they don't have to worry about procuring sheet metal parts, power supplies, connectors, PC boards, any of the components that might go in there. And they don't have to manage those bill of materials either. And it might not be something that their technical group has proficiency in. They might not be able to design a power solution or a battery pack, or they might not have thermal engineers to design a thermal system. So that's something that they can completely offload, and they can focus on their core competencies, and we can just take over that part and provide them with a complete solution.
Whether you need precise power management, advanced thermal systems, or battery solutions that meet your unique specifications, Sager Electronics ensures your designs are safe, efficient, and market-ready, faster than ever.
Our relationship with Sager in one of our initial markets goes back 30 years. I think one of the things definitely is they are a specialist. They come to mind right away for things like power, batteries, switches. We definitely cross-leverage their expertise in inventorying and engineering as well.
Sager does a lot of what we call value add, because the customer at the end of the day, they want a solution that's customized for them. So we start with a power supply that's already customizable, and then Sager takes the next step to add custom connectors, maybe package it, to really deliver a custom solution to the end customer without having to wait the time for a full custom traditional solution. It's really a modified standard with standard products.
Modular power is unique in that you can stock standard products and mix and match them to build an infinite number of possible power combinations. So Sager's a little bit unique in that we stock the standard power modules, chassis, and we build a custom configuration that's custom to the customer's needs. And we can do it quickly because we're using standard products, and we just do the final configuration and test prior to shipping them out.
So this is a very unique setup. In all my experience of being 8 years as a certified auditor, this is very unique that a distributor has internal assembly capabilities and being able to customize products directly for their customers. So everything's pretty much what we call plug and play or value add.
From simple inquiries to complex, cutting-edge designs, our specialized design and engineering teams are ready to assist. For any vertical or application, accelerate your time to market with custom solutions from Sager Electronics.